Hello everyone! So today's recipe is donuts. I will show you how to make fluffy and the most delicious donuts you have ever eaten. So you can make it for your family or for your friends. Take some warm milk and add some sugar into it. Now mix them well together. Now add some yeast into the mixture. Mix it well together. The yeast has perfectly activated. Now take some flour and add a pinch of salt into it. Now add the yeast mixture to the flour. Now add some water to it. Keep adding the water till the dough comes together. Use your hands to knead the dough. Now add some softened butter to it and knead it so that the butter can get incorporated in the dough. Now the butter is well incorporated in the dough. Now put the dough in a bowl and cover it with a cling foil. You can also cover it with a plate. The dough has doubled in size. Now remove the cling foil from the bowl. Puncture all the air inside the dough. Knead the dough again for 1 or 2 minutes. Now sprinkle some flour on your working surface and put the dough on it. Now take a rolling pin and roll the dough at least half an inch thick. Now use the donut cutter or a normal lid to cut the dough. Now again make a smaller hole in the circle. Like this. Now cover the dough with a cloth for at least 5 to 10 minutes. Now on medium to low heat, fry your donuts. Turn your donut when they get golden brown. Now here comes my favorite part, decorating the donuts. For that, dip your donuts in some chocolate and add some sprinkles on it. If you don't want to cover it with the chocolate, don't worry, it will taste delicious without it. You can decorate your donuts in any way you want. It's totally on you. Enjoy your donuts with your family and friends. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that like button.